Cue the spotlight on the sea otter, an underwater marvel. Amongst the myriad of marine mammals, it holds a unique distinction. Picture this: a boulder resting on the seafloor, an obstacle to most. But for the sea otter, it's a mere playground. Yes, they are the only marine mammals who can flip over these hefty boulders, all in pursuit of a hearty meal. But wait, there's more. Imagine catching fish not with your mouth but your forepaws. Sounds challenging, doesn't it? For this agile creature, it's just another day in the ocean. The sea otter is indeed the solitary marine mammal to boast this extraordinary skill. So next time you think of super creatures, remember the sea otter. It's not just cute, it's super otterly amazing.